Attendees are in listen-only mode.
Want to say thank you so much for attending. So greatly appreciate it. This is Sandy Vacanti, and I will be the one presenting the um, webinar this morning. Again, want to say thank you so much to Insurance Agency Marketing for attending our Insurance Agency Marketing Services webinar on EquiTrust and their single premium life. Wanted to go over just a few things before we get to the webinar itself. Wanted to go over our trips. We have an amazing incentive right now going on. It's to the Fairmont Empress. It's our 2016 Top Producers Escape. That happens August 3rd through the 7th, 2016 in Victoria, British Columbia. In order to qualify for that, you can qualify several ways. A $2 million annuity premium, $1.5 million in single premium whole life, $175,000 in life target premium, or a combination thereof. So you have from January 1st of this year all the way through June 30th of 2016. So it is an extended qualification period, which is great. We just want everyone to be able to attend. What we also have right now is our Life and Annuity Academy. These are really a high demand academy. We get several requests for agents to attend. It's a 2-day training that includes everything from profiling your clients to annuity trends, indexed annuities, different sales idea and strategies, along with software support. We go over what the trend is in the insurance industry, any new laws that are coming up or have just been put in place that will affect you, whether it's on the life side or the annuity side. We break out into little groups and have our top producers there going over different sales marketing strategies and ideas. We also have a company-approved turnkey seminar selling system that's extremely popular right now. So we go over all that in this 2-day academy that is all expense paid. So if you have any interest in that, please give us a call. We have one coming up in October. Would love to get as many of you there as possible. When you do contract with us, you are a new producer, and we have to say thank you so much to giving us the opportunity to work with you. All of our new producers have 3 levels they can qualify for, and they're bonus levels. The first level is a $100,000 level. When you hit that, and that's either $100,000 in annuity, life, MedSup, combination thereof, you can earn a $750 cash bonus or a 3-year subscription to a website, including a newsletter service, or you can receive the newest and latest iPad that we have out there. If you surpass that $100,000 level and go to the $300,000 level, you could choose from a full Social Security program and 3,000-piece mailing postcard system, a $2,000 matching marketing money to promote your business, or a $1,500 gift card. If you reach our $500,000 level, and again, this is all in premium, so whether you do that in life or annuity, MedSup, combination thereof. For our last level, it's 5,000-piece mailing in seminar coaching with a great top producer of ours, Matt Gill, 4,000-piece mailing in seminar coaching with Dave Pimper, or you can choose a Ritz-Carlton Travel Rewards, make your own personal getaway. You have 180 days, 6 months to hit any of those levels. Please give us a call and ask us how we can help you achieve that. Again, with any new producer of ours, get contracted and start producing, and your premium and your production goes right toward that new producer bonus. What we offer all of our agents is a virtual assistant. It's a complete website that we customize for you and your business. It is hosted and updated specifically for you. We fill the content with information designed specifically for your clients that you want, and you are online within one business day. We also offer, email or direct mail marketing. So we do newsletters that are pre-filled with content that you want about your business, along with your business information. That is updated frequently, and we send that by mail or email, whichever you prefer. We also have presentation materials and sales help. So 75 ready to present PowerPoints, a lot of great PowerPoints, a lot of great information in that PowerPoint, with those PowerPoints for you to utilize. Dozen of financial calculators, a referral lead generation tool system. We have sales coaching documents and just much more to help you get those sales and solidify those sales. What we have also for those that are contracted with us and those who would like to be contracted with us, we send out a paperless contracting. It's a huge time saver. Instead of filling out contracts for each and every carrier that you want to get contracted with, whether it's all at one time or just one down the road, it's a 4-page contract. You fill out that contract, you send back your license, E&O, AML, all that other great stuff, and you circle the carriers that you're interested in contracting with. We set you up, and whenever you want to get contracted with any additional carrier, all you do is log in like you would to our website and check the carrier that you're interested in being contracted with, and that's it. There is no additional paperwork to fill out. Great time saver, no additional paperwork. It's just so easy to do. So if you're not set up on paperless contracting, please give me a call and let me know, and we can make sure to get you set up. We also have our website. Our website at www.imesinc.com is just an amazing way to gain some information, whether you're looking at our incentives and what we're offering at that time, whether you want any information on life or annuity. We have all the up-to-date news and different regulations and so forth that you may be interested in. You're able to run quotes from there, pull forms. It's available 24/7. We have a great annuity rate watch that you can take a look at that lists, what are the top MIGAs right now, what they're earning, all that information we have available to you on our website. Again, that is www.iamsinc.com. And for all agents, it's called a referred producer program. So if you're contracted with us and you refer an agent to us, we give you $50 when that agent contracts. When that agent starts writing and placing business, we give you an additional $100 or more, $100 at a minimum when they start placing the business. And then you get 20 basis points on each piece of business written and placed by your referral thereafter. Unlimited. It doesn't stop in 6 months. It doesn't stop in 12 months. As long as they're placing business with us, you get those 20 basis points off of the business that they write. So if they write 3 policies for $1 million total in premium, you're getting a $6,000 cash check for you. So please make sure you ask us about that. Please, give us some names. You can either email it to us or give us a call. We'll be happy to make the call for you and see what we can do to get them contracted. We also have a marketing reimbursement program. So we put in $200 in marketing reimbursement money for you every time you place $100,000 in premium with us. That money goes towards any marketing expenses that you have. So if you have a $400 bill or invoice for a website or marketing pieces, anything like that has to do with your business, we will pay $200 of that if that money is in your account. So great way for you to do business and still have us assist you in making your marketing monies go further. So on to the webinar itself. So EquiTrust has two amazing products, both single premium life, the Wealth Max and the Wealth Sure. We are going to talk about how each could help you. It's a great way for wealth transfer. It's a guaranteed death benefit. That death benefit goes income tax free to the beneficiaries, so they don't have to worry about that. They're able to maintain control and access of their funds. There's an accelerated death benefit that could help with any long-term care needs or cost. It is not a use it or lose it type of thing. It's great if you have a client that wants long-term care, but it's just a backup and they were declined. It is not a replacement for long-term care. However, it is a great addition or alternative to long-term care. Also, it's 1035 friendly. There's no ongoing premium and payments. It's one payment. It's one single premium. And that is, again, guaranteed to age 120. So that client makes one premium and that's it. It's simplified issues. So no exam, no labs. Basically what happens is you fill out the application. There's a telephone interview, and on the telephone interview, they ask the same questions that are on the application itself. They'll pull MIB codes and prescription history, and turnaround time is within 48 hours. So there'll never be any medical exams or labs associated with a single premium life. It is a table standard to a table 4. It is either accepted or rejected. So they either get approved or they get declined at that rating. So, they're expecting health history. They're not expecting someone to be in, great health. So if you have a client that, has maybe had a heart attack 3 years ago or is diabetic and insulin dependent, give us a call. We get those the majority of the time approved. They're looking for clients that maybe have some medical history. We have the health questions on the application like I discussed, and again, a phone interview. That can be at point of sale when you're with the client, or EquiTrust will then, if that wasn't completed, call the client to set that interview up. APSs are ordered at times. It's a seldom thing, does not happen much, and that is at the underwriter's discretion. Again, the decision is within 48 hours, and it is real-time notification. So as soon as it's approved, we know. There's no delay in that. What the Wealth Max and Wealth Sure have as well are 5% free withdrawals of the accumulation value. So if your client needs access to their funds, each year they're allowed to do 5% withdrawals of that accumulation value. That is going to be a proportionate reduction to the death benefit, so that will affect the death benefit. There are loans available for the Wealth Max and Wealth Sure, so your clients are able to, take a loan on the policy. We have a great return of premium, and that's with the Wealth Max. So if your client needs a return of premium or thinks at any time that they may have to, get their funds back, then they can utilize that return of premium. Great feature on the Wealth Max. And then, of course, we have our accelerated death benefit rider on there with the nursing care and home health care benefits. Let's see here. Sorry about that. Also with the Wealth Max, it's issue age of 50 to 85. There's no backdating to save age, so we absolutely cannot backdate, but it is actual age. So if you have a client who's 85 and has a birthday in a couple months, that will turn them to 86, we are able to still write them at age 85. Minimum premium on that is $10,000. Maximum is a $750,000 face amount. So if your client your client can put in any amount of money they wish as long as that death benefit or face amount doesn't go past $750,000. And assuming that there's no other life insurance or annuities that EquiTrust has. So basically, if they have a $200,000 annuity and they want to get single premium life with EquiTrust, then they would be allowed to get a $550,000 single premium life because their total with EquiTrust would then be $750,000. They also have a 12% bonus with EquiTrust on the Wealth Max. So it's a 12% bonus that's added to the accumulation value immediately in year one. So if your client puts in $100,000, they're getting a $12,000 bonus. Along with the Wealth Max, there's that great return of premium feature. So anytime the client wants to retrieve their monies, they would get what they put in at a minimum minus any withdrawals. You as an agent would want to be careful because in the first 2 years, there is a 100% chargeback on your commission if that return of premium is utilized again in the first 2 years. It's a guaranteed death benefit to age 121. And there is a 10-year declining surrender charge schedule. With the Wealth Max bonus, you can put the money in different allocations, which is great. We have the 1-year interest account that is at 3.8% cap. We have a 1-year point-to-point cap at 8.5. The 1-year monthly is at 3.25, and the 2-year average is no cap. You can change those each year on the anniversary if you'd like. So the client does have that option. The commissions for the Wealth Max, they're great, especially when you look at annuity commissions. Ages 50 to 75, we're at 9%. Ages 76 to 80, we're at 8.5%. And ages 81 to 85, we are at 6.5%. Especially for those older ages, 6.5% is a great commission for you. So what does a Wealth Max bonus life offer your clients? It offers them that great guaranteed death benefit. The accelerated benefit rider for chronic illness or nursing care, home health care, nursing care, and then that return of premium. So any of those. So if your client isn't concerned about receiving their monies back, maybe they want to guarantee that death benefit. If they're not concerned about death benefit and they want to utilize those nursing care, home health care benefits, that product has it in it. Or if they just want to put their money in somewhere until interest rates go up on annuities or until they decide what they would like to do, they're able to do that with that great return of premium feature. So it's really a multifaceted type of product for you and your clients. The Wealth Max bonus, for an example, if we have a female, Betty, who's a non-smoker, age 60, with $50,000 earning 2% in a CD, the objective is to leave this money to her grandchildren when she passes. The concern that she has is there could be health-related expenses during her lifetime that she's not aware of right now. But could have in the future. The options are these. She can leave the money in a CD, she can transfer it to an annuity at 3%, or she can purchase the Wealth Max Bonus Life. When she purchases the Wealth Max product, if you look at the comparison, the CD, she's going to put in 50, she's going to get 50. With the annuity, the death benefit after tax is 103.5. When you have the Wealth Max bonus on the guaranteed side, that death benefit is 136,270. And again, this is her putting in $50,000. On the non-guaranteed side with Wealth Max, which is the allocation side that I had discussed earlier, that death benefit is 161,088. So you can see how that grows, how substantially that grows on her $50,000 premium. If you want to compare, the accessibility of funds due to illness, if you look at the CD for terminal illness, the client would receive, $55,734. And for an annuity, after tax, she would receive $98,075. With the Wealth Max, she would receive, excuse me, for nursing care confinement, and that's after a 90-day waiting period, she would receive $103,250, and for chronic care or home health care, she would receive the same $103,250. So you can see how beneficial it would be if your client does have concerns for the future for any health issues. You know, when we compare to the other options of a CD or putting it, in an annuity, the Wealth Max bonus offers 4 major advantages. We have that tax advantage. It's income tax free to her beneficiaries. We have the guarantees, we have the great growth potential, and then of course the accelerated death benefit for the specific health issues that she may have. And that's the Wealth Max. For the Wealth Sure, very, very similar. It's interest sensitive, single premium life. The issue ages for that is 55 to 85. Again, no backdating or saving age, it's actual age. Same thing with premium. We have a minimum of $10,000 with a max face amount of $750,000. And again, assuming no other insurance, life or annuity, takes up that $750 with EquiTrust. It is at, on the non-guaranteed side, a 4.5% current interest rate with a 3% guarantee. We have an increasing death benefit. The difference you're going to see between the Wealth Sure and the Wealth Max is there is no bonus. With the Wealth Max, you get a 12% bonus. With the Wealth Sure, you do not. There is also no return of premium feature. Wealth Max has return of premium, Wealth Sure does not. Same great guaranteed death benefit to age 121, and then a 10-year declining surrender charge schedule. Difference you're going to see again with the Wealth Max and Wealth Sure, you're going to see it in your commission as well. Because the Wealth Sure doesn't offer that great 12% bonus or return of premium, your commission gets higher on the Wealth Sure. Wealth Sure 55 to 65, you get in commission 15% of that single premium amount. Ages 66 to 80, you get 14%, and ages 81 to 85, you earn 10.5%, which is just amazing for those older ages. So as you can see, if your clients aren't comfortable with a single premium indexed UL, which is what the Wealth Max is, and are more comfortable with that whole life and not too concerned about, utilizing that return of premium feature, they're confident that they can just leave this money in here, then the Wealth Sure might be the place to go for them. Once you're appointed with EquiTrust, and again, on a great paperless contracting system, we can get that, help get that completed for you. You have access to the EquiTrust website. You get all your production information. You can pull sales material and marketing information from there. All illustrations are there. You can, they have complete application packets for you. You see your active and your pending business there. So everything pending, again, real time, you can pull it up and see the physical notes that are being put in there by the underwriter. You can also pull, again, all of your active business. And of course, you can access all your commission schedules, your commission statements right there from the website. EquiTrust is a strong carrier. They have, back in 2013, total assets were $12.6 billion. Solvency ratio was 107.19. The risk-based capital ratio, it's a measure of capital relative to contractual obligations, is 407%. That level itself is several times the risk-based capital required by any insurance regulator. You can see they're a strong, strong company. So I hope that you found a great product for your clients for single premium life. Again, all simplified issue, no exam, no labs, just telephone interview, prescription history, and MIB codes. we would absolutely love to run some quotes for you. Anyone in the life department can do that. So if you call 1-800-255-5055 and ask for the life department, we would be happy to run some quotes, go into further detail for you. You can also pull information from our website at www.iamsinc.com. Let me see if we have any questions. It looks like we are doing great with questions here. So at this point, we will go ahead and end the webinar. So greatly appreciate your time. Really, truly do. Again, give us a call with any questions you may have at 1-800-255-5055. Thank you.